In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your Google Drive file management using make.com. Let's dive right in. First off, the initial task is to log into your make.com account. This will be the hub for all your automation needs today. Make sure you're using a reliable connection to ensure a smooth and seamless experience. Once you're logged in, head over and click on Create a New Scenario. This feature will allow you to set up various automated tasks, and today we're focusing on managing your Google Drive files. The next step involves selecting Google Drive as your first module. This is your primary point of contact with your Google Drive account via make.com. To do this, you need to choose the Google Drive option from the modules list. Once you have Google Drive selected, you need to opt for the list files in a folder module. You'll then be prompted to connect your Google Drive account. Make sure you choose the right account if you have multiple accounts linked to your browser to prevent any mix-ups. Once your Google Drive account is linked, move on to selecting the specific folder you wish to work with. This is important because the module will return a list of all files present within this folder. Think of this as setting the stage for your automated process. Knowing exactly where you start helps in managing tasks more efficiently later on. With the setup of your first module complete, it's time to add in an iterator. This tool, very crucially located under flow control, will allow you to loop through each file one by one. The purpose of the iterator is to process each file individually, which gives you great flexibility in managing those files automatically. Set it up to use the array of files you have pulled from your Google Drive module. This is the heart of your automation, ensuring that every single file in that list gets individual attention. Now that we have the iterator in place, it's time to decide what actions you want to take for each file in your loop. You have a range of possibilities here, and what you choose will depend on your specific needs. You could move a file to a different folder if you're organizing your drive, for example. Alternatively, you might want to copy the file or perhaps download it to keep a backup. Moreover, you could send the file directly to a communication platform like Slack, email, or any other application you integrate with Make. Don't forget you can also rename the file if organization and consistency are key for your projects, and there you have it. A simple, streamlined way to automate your Google Drive file management with Make.com. Remember, like with any tech tool, taking a moment to plan your actions can save you time and effort down the line. Thanks for tuning in.